Hello everyone, it's Efe here. I hope we are doing well today. Today I just want to share with us on model or copy. Model or copy. What is a model? A model is somebody, there are different meanings of model, but the one I want to use is somebody that you want to be like, somebody who is your hero, somebody who is your mentor, somebody who you want to replicate, somebody who you see attributes in that you want to emulate, you want to, you want to be like. That's your model. And then a copy is just a replica of something, a duplicate of something, a copy, a duplicate of something. But what's the difference? When you model, there are two things that I just want to share with us on when you model. When you model somebody, you add your you-ness to you. That is you. You see what the person is doing or has done, and you emulate what that person has done, or you copy what that person has done, but you add your own attributes to it. You make it yourself. You make it you. You make it have you-ness in it. So it's not that you are copying the person word for word, or and then just trying to be that person or thing. Another thing when you model is that you make improvements and make it different, so that when people see, they say, oh, this looks like this, but it's not actually this, because there is this improvement in it, or there's this difference in it, because that is you. When you model somebody, you are able to get all the things that you want to get from that person and improve on it. When you copy somebody, it's just like copying and pasting. You don't have a you-ness to you. You just put everything. If, for example, the person has given a speech, you don't change it. You don't add a you-ness to you. You don't add your own examples. You don't add your own experiences. You just copy and paste. So it doesn't have that you-ness to you. It doesn't have that life. It doesn't have your life. It doesn't have your potential, and so it's just a copy and paste thing. And when you copy and paste, it's just like you are pretending, you are pretending to be who you are not. So when you model, you see somebody you like, you see something that he or she has done, and then you add your own you-ness into it. The Bible also lets us know. It says, be ye followers of me. That was Paul talking, as I am of Christ. And there's another place in the Bible that says, Jesus Christ left an example that we should follow in his steps. What are his steps? Steps of love, steps of peace, steps of joy, steps of grace, steps of strength. We should follow in those steps. Steps of loving our neighbors as ourselves, loving the Lord as ourselves, being joyful, having the attributes of the Holy Spirit, which are love, joy, peace, long-suffering, faith, patience, and all the other attributes. A lot of things that we need to emulate from Jesus Christ, so that our lives will be better. When you see somebody that you love, when you see somebody that you want to be like, you read his books, you watch his videos if there are videos, you just watch and get yourself involved in everything that the person has done or is doing, so that you can emulate that person. And I got this from a training academy that I attend, and it has really impacted my life positively. And so that's why I'm sharing this with you. If you also want to get some training on how to remodel yourself, or make yourself better, you want to have models that you follow, you want to have mentors that you follow, I have some mentors that I can recommend to you. And if you just provide your name and email address, I'll just put the link there, and then you can do that. We can connect as well. We can chat. We can send emails to each other. We can have a Zoom chat. However you want to connect, I'll be more than happy to share with you. So I will just leave this with us today, and I hope you model somebody and also improve yourself too. I'll see us on the next video, but before then, stay blessed, stay inspired, and stay grateful.